All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, another one reaching us right now. The Yoruba Nation agitators finally drags the governor of Ondo State. Well, onto this, they are of the opinion no going back on Yoruba and then Ojudua Nation group lambast Akeredolu. Yeah, so right before now, the governor of Ondo State, Governor Rotimi Akeredolu, had raised some statements against the Yoruba Nation agitators that they are distracting and then trying to disrupt the peace in Nigeria, that they should stop their agitation or else they will be arrested, that they should not disturb the peace that Nigeria has. Then a lot of people actually reacted onto that. But this time around, Yoruba group have finally come out on this one. And then they have finally lambasted the governor of Ondo State, Governor Rotimi Akeredolu. And they are of the opinion that no going back on Yoruba Nation group lambast Akeredolu. All right, my people, the news in details. Well, onto this, the new leader of the Yoruba Self-Determination Group, Professor Wale Adeniran, has replied the governor of Ondo State, Arakunrin Rotimi Akeredolu, over his recent comment that the Yoruba Nation agitators should perish their thoughts. Akeredolu had at the launch of the emblem appeal to flag off the 2023 Armed Forces Remembrance Day celebrations at the State Internal Revenue Service Hall. Akure said that Yoruba Nation agitators should not sacrifice the chance of the tribe to produce the next president in the name of agitating for Yoruba Nation. Those clamoring for Ojua Nation, according to the governor of Ondo State, I repeat, he says, and I quote, those clamoring for Ojua Nation will not succeed. People have not laid People have not laid down their lives for this country for unscrupulous individuals to scuttle it. This country is very important to some of us, Akeredolu had said. His statement had hyped several Yoruba Nation agitators, thereby causing uneasy calm in the southwest region ahead of the 2023 election. Meanwhile, it will be recalled that the self-determination group formerly led by the Second Republic Senator Professor Banji Akintoye, as well as foremost agitator Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has been in the forefront of agitating for Yoruba Nation. Akeredolu, who is the chairman of the Southwest Governors Forum, is rooting for the All Progressives Congress APC presidential candidate, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But in a statement yesterday, the new leader of the self-determination group, Ilana Omo Odua, expressed anger that Akeredolu went as far as inciting the police, whose welfare their government have always neglected, against peaceful agitators, labeling the activities of Yoruba freedom fighters as treasonable. It appears Akeredolu and his fellow Yoruba governors are beginning to get paranoid, saying the popularity of the agitation for Yoruba slash Ojibwa nation among the Yoruba populace at home and abroad is said. All right, my people, this is another one that is reaching us. My brother, my sister, wonders shall never end. Oh, okay. Oh. And then right now, no, we have said this times without number that as far as this movement is concerned, though, we still have the true agitators. And right now, the people are of the opinion that they will never go back on this movement. When we tell you that no going back, my brother, my sister, don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted, so to say, because a lot of people are out there who actually believe in this movement. We have some fake Yoruba Nation agitators, fine. It's okay, we know. But the real ones are still there. And right now, they have proven it that no matter what anybody says, so this Yoruba Nation, we know they go back. Yeah, so and earlier before now, Governor Akeredolu, the governor of Ondo State, had said that these people clamoring for Yoruba nation should just forget about it. That Nigeria is the way. In fact, according to him, he had said it that the people should allow their own. That is an opportunity for them to rule the country, and that they should not jeopardize that advantage, that opportunity. And a lot of people have been like, which country are you talking about in the first place, Governor Akeredolu? Is it the same country that people are running out of? Or is it not the same country that majority of people abroad are scared to come home? So which one exactly are you talking about? A lot of things were actually said on this one. A lot of people actually, raise eyebrow onto this one, that what is the meaning of that? That Governor Akeredolu, is because of your political gains. Yes, that is why you are doing all this. You are so supportive of the Bola Ahmed Tinubu government, simply because you know that when he gets there, some positions will be given to you. That we all know this. Meanwhile, don't get it twisted. Don't forget that this tenure of Governor Akeredolu in the office is the 8th year, which is the final tenure as a governor. So now I think we now understand where the old saga is coming from. Akeredolu already knows that at the end of it all, at the end of this tenure, there will be nothing for him. So he want to continue. They want to continue leading, eating, enjoying themselves. That is why they can come out categorically and tell people to stop what they are doing, of which you people have not done well. What have you done to save the lives and the properties of your own people, your own indigents? Nothing has been done. That's exactly where the problem is. And these people have seen it that they are deceiving us, Neo. One tongue, one Neo. Emma, tẹ́tí one, Emma, tiẹ̀ dá wọn lóhùn rárá. That they are deceiving us, so don't listen to them at all, because this set of people are very cunning people. Yes, they will promise heaven and earth. Before you know it, they must have embezzled billions. Yes, they are actually there for their own pockets, not for the people. And the Yoruba people, the agitators who are very smart, have made it clear that no matter what, we are not going back on this. Yes, so it's a peaceful agitation. We are not fighting anybody. We are not, in fact, we are not hijacking anything. We are taking over we are restoring, taking back all our lost properties. We are taking back our land from where it is. Yes, they all belong to us. So not that we are hijacking this, we are taking back what belongs to us. So why would you not tell us not to continue in this movement? Simply because you want to become a senator under APC. That it will not work. It will not work. Well, a lot of things do are actually been said, and I love a statement raised by one of the strong Yoruba Nation agitators, which is that you are telling us that some people have sacrificed their lives. Who are those people that sacrifice their lives for Nigeria to stand? That's exactly where the point is. If people have actually sacrificed their lives, then people will not be dying on a daily basis, and then the government will not say anything about it. There will not be hunger in the land. There will not be epileptic power supply in the land. There will not, in fact, a lot of things had gone wrong in the country, yet somebody like the governor of Ondo State is coming out to tell us cock and bull. You can imagine. And exactly what the people are saying, that everything you are telling us is cock and bull. It will not work. Our mumu don't do. Our eyes don't open. Yeah, so they have blasted the governor of Ondo State that don't ever say such again. Láyé láyé ẹ má sọrú ẹ̀ mọ́. Well, majority of things though are actually being said, and then as it stands right now, the people are still of the opinion, they are still on point that Yoruba nation no going back, and exactly what it is. My people, onto this one, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.